Hello everyone, this is Raymond Ian Pascual, your International Property Specialist ng SMDC, at nandito ako ngayon sa isang project ng SMDC which is Red Residences, located along Chino Roces Avenue here in Makati City. Guys, stay tuned and ipapakita ko sa inyo anong itsura ng 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom at saka amenities ng Red Residences.
Red is one of our Makati projects. So we started with Jazz, Air, Lush, now it's Red. So this is the 4th RFO projects of SMDC in Makati.
When SMDC actually sells our products, it's really through and through. When our promise to our investors of them being able to monetize it immediately will happen because we have our own leasing and tenancy management group called SMDC Good Stays. But at the end of the day, I'd like to add, we also have Green Mist Property, because Green Mist Property actually provides the maintenance of the whole project and also of the security. So at the end of the day, buying into Red Residences, or as a matter of fact, any SMDC development is really a good investment for potential buyers.
Nandito tayo ngayon sa 1 bedroom unit dito sa Red Residences. Ipapakita ko sa inyo kung anong itsura nito. Tara, pasukin natin. So dito may kasama na tayong hanging cabinet, kitchen sink, tsaka ito yung ating electric stove. So sa baba, meron tayong base cabinet. Sa tapat naman niya, ito, yung ating comfort room. Ito yung provision for washing machine. Tapos ito naman yung ating shower head. Ayan. So next, puntahan naman natin yung ating living and dining. So dito, provision for refrigerator and microwave. Dito pwede tayo maglagay ng TV. Tapos dito naman yung ating sofa. So pwede rin tayo maglagay ng maliit na dining table. So again, this is a 1 bedroom unit. So ito yung bedroom natin. So sliding partition siya. Ayan. At kasya-kasya dito yung queen size bed or double bed dito sa space na to. Pwede naman kayo maglagay din dito ng konting table, tsaka cabinet. Ang maganda dito guys, may balcony. So yan, pasukin natin. So dito sa balcony, depende sa magiging view natin. Kung ano yung available sa inventory at kung ano yung mapipili. Hello guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Red Residences at ipapakita ko sa inyo yung 1 bedroom with balcony natin. Tara, tingnan natin. So pagpasok natin, nandito tayo sa kitchen. So meron tayong overhead cabinet, sink, tapos yung ating base cabinet na may grease trap. Tapos dito naman tayo sa comfort room. So napakalaki yung comfort room natin. Ito yung ating provision for washing machine. Tapos ito naman yung ating shower. Meron din sink dito sa may side na to. Yan. Tapos, ito yung ating living room. So dito, yung den, para siyang isang small room. Tara, tingnan natin. So ito, sliding partition siya. Pasukin natin. So pwede na rin, no? Isang bed, pwede, single or double deck. Pwede natin ilagay dito for kids or gusto nyo gawing office or kung work from home kayo. Tapos dito naman, pwede tayong maglagay ng sofa. Tapos nandito yung ating television. Tapos ito guys, yung maganda. Napaka-spacious ng bedroom natin. Ito, pwede dito queen size or king size bed. Nasa sa inyo kung paano nyo i-design. Tapos ito naman yung balcony. So pagpasok, depende sa view. Dito sa view, tara tingnan natin. Ito naman yung ating amenity view. So makikita nyo yung ating lap pool, tsaka kiddie pool over there. Yan. So that's it guys. Kung gusto nyo magkameron ng competition, kung gusto nyo magkameron ng viewing or online viewing, i-message nyo lang ako sa number na makikita nyo dito sa screen. Again, this is Raymond Ian Pascual, your International Property Specialist ng SMDC, and see you on my next project.